Hey everyone, welcome to Howard's How-Tos.
Today, we're reviewing Pop! OS, a Linux distro made by System76 that's designed for developers, creators, and anyone who wants more control over their setup. I'll go over what it does well, what doesn't work as smoothly, and who should consider using it. Pop! OS is built on Ubuntu, but customized heavily. It comes with the Cosmic Desktop, full disk encryption by default, a strong GPU support for both Nvidia and AMD cards. Everything works out of the box without driver issues, which makes it great for gaming, AI work, or even coding. The Cosmic Desktop is written in Rust and focuses on speed and simplicity. You get Windows tiling, customizable panels, a dock, applets, and a quick launcher you can open with the super keys to find apps instantly. Pop! OS uses ZRAM for memory compression, supports Flatpak apps, and has reliable firmware and kernel updates with frequent patches. It's stable, responsive, and designed to keep your system running smoothly without random update issues. The strong points are its performance, GPU handling, and how productive the desktop feels. Reviewers often say it's fast, reliable, and capable enough to replace Windows for everyday development. The downsides are small but worth noting. Boot time can be slightly slower, the Pop Shop app store sometimes bugs out, and Cosmic being in alpha means a few apps can crash. If you rely on rare or proprietary software, it might not be available in the repositories. If you want a modern, private, and developer-friendly operating system that performs well right away, Pop! OS is an excellent pick. If you need guaranteed compatibility for every niche app, Ubuntu or Fedora might fit better. That's Pop! OS, efficient, powerful, and reliable. This has been Howard's How-Tos. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tech breakdowns.